Hey guys, it's Jazmine here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial Tuesday and I have not done them in a while on my channel, so I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about them to just remind you. And so a tutorial Tuesday is basically a tutorial on Tuesday, and I just do this really fancy intricate makeup look on my face and I post it on Tuesdays, and so that is what we're going to be doing today. My inspiration this week is this picture right here. It is by the girl Ivy Kungu. I'm sorry if I'm butchering her name. She is just a really great makeup artist and she just makes these really gorgeous looks. And this one is my inspiration today. It's so pretty and it's just a really blue and it kind of reminds me of the ocean, and I'm going to the ocean in in like a week, so I wanted to do this look and I'm excited to do it. So if you guys want to see that, then keep on watching. I brought every single blue eyeshadow I can find and that I have today for this makeup look, so hopefully I have enough blues and hopefully this works out. There. Oh, and I'm just prepping my eyelids right now with some concealer. So it doesn't really look like she has a lot of stuff in like her actual crease. It's more on the inner corner and on the lid. So let's see what I have. I brought a lot of stuff down here today. So to start out, I'm taking this e.l.f. 2 eyeshadow thing. I'm sorry, but a lot of these shades I have no idea what the names are because I've had these for way too long and I have no idea what they are. And so it's just this blue shade right here. And I'm going to be putting this in my crease area, but I'm not going to be bringing it up like I usually do and making a whole blended out seamless crease. I'm kind of keeping this on the outer corner of my eye and barely sweep it into the inner corner. I'm really not going to have a lot of the matte shades in the inner corner at all today. I'm going to take a fluffy, really fluffy blending brush. I'm going to take this brown shade right here, and I'm just going to put that lightly in my crease, this is going to be my transition color for today, just to make sure everything is seamlessly blended. And this color you can put and drag out to the inner corner, but not that much. Now for the fun part. And so I'm going to take this Ulta eyeshadow crayon. I'm going to take a brush. Yeah, I'm going to take a brush and just go like this. And I'm going to take this shade and put it on the middle part of my lid. And I'm going to cut the lid with this. Okay, now that was just the eyeshadow base, so if it's all if it's not looking all that great and it's kind of looking patchy, it's okay. I'm going to take, again, this is not the Laura Geller, what the hell? This is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going to take this blue right there, this royal blue shade. So I'm going to mix the two blues in this palette, the diagonal from each other. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm just going to put this where I put the blue pigment that we just put on her. I think I'm satisfied with the color that's on my lids right now. I think that's all I'm going to get. I'm going to take this single eyeshadow called called Rhythm. And I'm going to take that on the inner corner Oh shoot, I forgot to put the pigment on first. Well, I did have a pigment. Let me see if I put this over top, it'll be fine. I'm liking this so far. Alright, I just need to build that baby blue up in the inner corner. Just to make it pop all the way. I'm gonna just take some of this Event Maker's glitter. It's eye glitter, don't worry, but it's just this white, really fine milled glitter, and I'm gonna use some eyelash glue to put this on, and I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye. I love glitter. Yes, I do. But that looks really cool, not gonna lie. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm excited, I'm excited. Okay, I really don't know what to do for the outer corner. I think I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit, not make it so harsh. First, I'm actually gonna take my fingers. I'm gonna take my fingers and just blend that outer corner and make it not so harsh. Then I'm gonna take some of that blue, I'm gonna take the dark blue that we put on our lid and just blend the outer corner. And I'm gonna take this brush and just blend it out. Okay, I kind of want a rounded look with this, so I'm gonna wipe all of that off. Or actually, I'm gonna use concealer and just cut it. And just wipe all of this off. Ooh, this look is coming together. This looks so good. It's so good. Okay, yes, this is looking cute. I'm gonna put on some lashes to finish this eye part off, and I'll be right back. And here's what the eyes are looking like. I love this eyeshadow. Like, this looks so good. Okay, so now for foundation. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation, and this is more of a lighter coverage foundation. I've been liking the My Skin But Better type of foundations lately. Maybe it's because it's summer, maybe because I really don't want my skin to break out. But yeah, so that is what I've been doing lately, the My Skin But Better type of situations. I like to use a brush just to make sure everything is smooth into the skin. What I've been doing lately is taking the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer and dipping my Real Technique sponge just in it and swirling it around. Just keep on swirling. And I just conceal, and I just dab this on the places where I usually conceal. This gives more of a lighter coverage to the concealer, but it still puts enough on your eyes to cover your dark circles. And I like to take a little teensy bit of the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and like there's like nothing in here, so there's not a lot that are gonna come out, but I just like to lighten up under my eyes a little bit more because this is a little lighter than the NARS concealer I just put down. So just gonna blend this out a little bit more. And now for under eye powder, I'm gonna take the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. I haven't used this in a while, and it is pretty darn white, but I saw someone use this on a darker complexion and it looked beautiful. So, and they really packed on the powder. Like, they were baking and it was a lot. And so I wanted to try it out today. Now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier loose setting powder in the deeper one. And I'm just going to put this, all over my face. Oh, that was a lot. I just breathed all that in. Put my, this is not new, people. This is the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in Mocha. I'm just gonna use this to bronze today. Okay, now I'm gonna put some highlighter on. This is the Maybelline one. I'm just gonna load this baby up. I'm gonna go eat really quickly and then I'll be right back just to finish off everything. I ate some pizza. That was some good pizza. Alright, to finish off the look, I need to do something to my under eye. I'm gonna take some of that dark blue right here. Put this on the outer part of my lash line. Take the light blue color that we put in the inner quarter and just drag that on down into my lower lash line. Yeah, just put some glitter on the lower lash line as well. Oh, darn it, I was supposed to use this highlighter stick. I'm gonna still use it anyway. I'm gonna put this highlighter stick by Bare Minerals, I believe. Yeah, it's Bare Minerals, and it's called Iridescent Quartz. And it's a crystalline glow highlighting stick. I'm going to take this clear gloss called by Lancome. It's called a Juicy Tube. I'm just going to put this all over my lips. Okay, so this is what I created on my face today. I'm impressed with my blending skills today. You have to check out Ivy's page. She is gorgeous and she is so talented. And so, Ivy, thank you for this inspiration today. I'm impressed. This look is gorgeous and I'm so happy I recreated this. And if you guys enjoyed this tutorial Tuesday and if you want me to do more of them, then definitely give this video a like, and so I know that you enjoy these types of videos and just how I get really creative and just get my creative juices flowing and just create crazy makeup looks like this. And so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!